Hi guys. I'm videoing.
What time is it now?
I'm videoing because there's a kazoo in there. 6-pack here. If you guys have this, you guys know what it sounds like. I'm just gonna do sounds by my toys.
You can't see me. The rock is gonna lay us the
Oops,
smack
my
it down.
charger. Gotta charge it. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, yep. I need to on this. Okay. Gotta on it. Okay. There we go.
I'll defeat you with my superpowered speed. There is nothing and nobody who can stop. You don't stand a chance against Superman. Calm before the storm.
There we go. And I have the Rangers Infinity War. So I think that's all. I'll just show you my Binks. I got Venom over there and Thanos. And one of my favorite characters in the whole world is Iron Man. Because one of my favorite heroes. And I already showed this. If you guys don't, this is one of my favorite ones too. I have Imaginext over there. It's right over there. You guys can see where I'm pointing. Okay. And let's zoom back in. Okay. And this is one of my favorite superheroes. It is Matt. His name is Matt though. This show was a long time ago. So here he is. Here we go. Come back. Okay. Now, my Superman's right over there. All my weapons. There are the Superman things that I'm pointing. If you guys don't know what I'm pointing at, comment down below. Gotta zoom in. And did you guys know there's wrestlers in here before? But I took it out and put it in there. Here's my Spider-Man Bink. And I'll try to turn it on. Here we go.
You can take it from me, Spider-Man. It doesn't pay to be a bad guy in my city.
That's why it's my favorite Bink. And it's, I'm just putting, but today I'm just putting sounds like
Looks like
this.
someone.
This thing belongs to my dog, our old dog that passed away. There's its favorite superhero right there. But we took a photo, but my dad, he was a Chihuahua, and we still remember what he looks like. And I will show you it. It's right up there, that dog. Right over there, up there. Can you guys see the dog? That's what our dog looks like. Yeah. And I think that's all. Goodbye. Bye, people.